you've ever had a tear in your clothing but didn't know the best way to fix it, here's a video for you. This particular technique works best for long, straight tears, but could also be used to stitch on a patch more securely. For this repair, we'll use Aqua Mesh Plus, a sticky back washaway stabilizer. Just cut a generous patch, at least 1 to 2 centimeters larger than the size of the tear, and stick it to the back of the tear. This will give us temporary support to our fabric for the repair, but will wash away when we're finished, so it doesn't leave behind any unnecessary bulk or stiffness on our garment. We'll sew the repair with the 3-step zigzag stitch with matching thread to close the tear. You will want to use a slightly shorter stitch length so it doesn't leave any gaping gaps after we sew the edges together. The 3-step zigzag is recommended rather than a regular zigzag stitch, so that we can avoid fabric tunneling from the thread tension since we're sewing on a single layer of fabric. When sewing with the 3-step zigzag, try to keep the 2 inner stitches on either side of the tear for maximum strength. I'm using an edge stitch foot to help guide my stitching directly along the center of the tear, but that's optional. There we go! That looks pretty good. You can use a warm damp cloth to wash away the stabilizer or pop it in your next load of washing. What's the trickiest repair you've ever completed? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video useful, please like the video and consider subscribing to our channel.